Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating second game. The Maxis versus the Vitos Barbecue. Take a look how we're standing on top. Ayan, Maxis on top with a 4-1 and the Vitos Barbecue with a 3-2. Tingnan natin kung makakabawi ang Vitos Barbecue dito. Good luck from both teams. Here we go. Jump ball tayo. First ball, mapupunta sa Vitos Barbecue. And the first shot, no good. And out of bounds. Oopsie, nakuha. Attack the basket. Carrying the ball. I see. Oh, no good. Offensive rebound. Navarro, and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 1, Navarro. Second shot, no good. Oh, sorry, pressure basket. Number 13, pass to Manalo. To Scott. So, pass to number 34. Steal. Number 24. Fake. Using the glass. No good. Offensive rebound. Navarro. Wala. Rebound by Manalo. Scott. The guy. Number 34. Wala. Manat. Wala pa rin. Number 7. Number 24. Pass to Navarro.
Get your man, please.
Back pedal. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Navarro. There's a foul. There's a foul. Short rebound by Manalo. Number 34. And that's a double dribble. Navarro with a strong drive, no good. Diyan sa baba. Diyan sa baba. Oh. Prince Manalo on the free throw area. Basket by Manalo. Second shot para kay Prince. Oopsie. Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. Prince, spin. Make a shot, no good. There is a foul.
Sarap tapakan.
Number 7. Juancho Lee, his first. 13 foul for Pakistan.
Number 24. Out of bounds. Bola po rito ng Maxi Stars. Jump ball. Bola mapupunta sa Vito's Barbecue. Manalo, no good. Number 34. Number 27, basket. Number 1. There's a foul. Number 24. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back to the ball game. Second quarter basket by Jaden Navarro. Number 7, attack the basket. Swak na swak. Correction, this is the second 5. Number 24, jump shot. Samako. Number 7, attack the basket. Short. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro. Sidestep. Using the glass. Basket is good. 7-5. 2-point lead para sa Vito's Barbecue. Another steal. Pero naka-recover. Number 12. No good. Manalo with a putback. Tabla tayo sa 7. Number 24. Attack the basket. No good. Rebound. Ayan na si Juancho. Nagmamadali. Juancho with a running shot. No good. Offensive rebound by Manalo. Time out. Time out. Vito's Barbecue. The time remaining 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Tingnan muna natin ang hadal ni Coach Blue. back to the ball game. Navarro sidestep.
Foul number 30. Scott for his first.
Basket is good. Down by 1 ang Maxis. Pinasa corner. Stop and pump. Too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jaden. Navarro with the ball. Napitawan. Attack the basket. Uy! Basket is good. Change favor among na dito ang Vitos Barbecue. Nasa corner, running shot, no good. Rebound by Jaden. Navarro, nagmamadali, binigay. Number 24, running shot, no good. Rebound. Bounce pass to Navarro. What an extra pass. Ooh, in and out. Rebound ng Maxis. Steal. Number 24, pass to Jaden. Jaden, sumalaksak, no good. Rebound by number 27. Pass to Lee, number 7. Ooh, basket is good. By Wancho Lee. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. Get the shot using the glass. Yes, sir. By number 24, sagutan ng puntos ang magkabilang panig. Ayan na si Wancho Lee. Cross. Stop and palm. Short. Rebound. Good. Makukuha ng Vitos Barbecue. Outlet pass to Jaden. Lee with the cross. Navarro attack. No good. Offensive rebound. Steal. Ayun na, Maxis. Number 12. Too strong. Rebound by C. And that's a traveling violation. Time remaining. Last 35 seconds. Bola rito ay ng Vitos Barbecue. Jaden, Navarro, and there's a foul. Penalty. 2 shots by Jaden Navarro. First shot para Jaden. Basket is good. Last 16 seconds remaining.
Go, rebound! Hey, last shot, last shot!
Ayan na. Block by Navarro. Jaden. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by Prince, and that's the end of our first quarter.
Prince, isa ka pa, Prince. Julian,
first 5. Number 34, spin. And there's a foul.
Foul on number 24, David Samarco, his first team foul for Vitas Barbecue. Taking it on Ruben Zion.
Mendoza, block. Rebound by number 34. Number 34, nagmamadali. Side step. Ooh, too strong. Rebound by number 34 to number 12. No good. Offensive rebound. Hook shot, no good. Number 22, kick out. No good pa rin. And out of bounds. Number 34, side step, no good. Nice shot by Prince Manalo.
Foul number 34, Ruben Zion. His third personal.
Hey, rebound! Go, Abby! All yours!
Number 34. There we go, Vitas Barbecue. Number 24, jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 22. Tyler, what an extra pass. Uy! Yun lang eh. Number 24, running shot, no good. Offensive rebound, Mendoza, no good. Oopsie, double dribble. Mendoza, may tangan ng bola. Jump shot. Oh! Swak na swak para kay Mendoza. Ito po ang ating official score po natin, 16-14. Number 34, side step. No good. Offensive rebound. Manalo with a putback. Oo naman ako. Kaya lang sa hanggang at natin. Isha.